In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Scrum sprint in Jira. We'll be setting up a Scrum space from scratch so you can get your team ready to plan and manage sprint-based work in a clean, organized way. If you're new to Jira, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process clearly so it's easy to follow. To begin, go to the Spaces area in Jira and click the plus icon. This is where you create a new space for your work. Think of a space as the home base for your project, where your board, tasks, and sprint workflow will live. Once the creation menu opens, click on Software Development. This option is designed for teams building products, managing development tasks, and organizing agile workflows. After that, choose Scrum. Selecting Scrum is important because it gives you a structure built around backlogs, sprint planning, and iterative delivery. Next, click Use Template. This saves time because Jira will automatically apply a Scrum-friendly setup instead of making you configure everything manually. After that, enter a name for your space. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if your organization has multiple projects or teams working inside Jira. You'll then see an option asking how your space is managed. Here, select Team Managed. This is a good choice when you want the team to have more direct control over the workflow and settings without relying heavily on centralized administration. It's especially helpful for smaller teams or teams that want to move quickly. After selecting that, click Next. On the following screen, click Next again. Jira may guide you through a couple of setup screens during this stage, and moving through them brings you closer to the ready-to-use project space. At the next prompt, click I'll do this later. This lets you skip optional setup items for now and keeps the process simple so you can finish creating the Scrum space first. If needed, you can always return later and customize additional details once the space is created. Finally, click Done. At this point, your Scrum space is created and ready to use. From here, you can begin adding issues, organizing your backlog, and preparing your first sprint inside Jira. A quick tip before you move on. Make sure the space name and management type are correct before finishing, because those choices shape how your team will work inside the project. With that done, you now have the foundation needed to start managing Scrum work effectively in Jira.